If you're experiencing high ping on your Steam Deck, it can affect your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce your ping and improve your connection. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are significantly lower than what you pay for, consider restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. If possible, connect your Steam Deck to the internet using an Ethernet cable. A wired connection is generally more stable and faster than Wi-Fi, which can help reduce ping. Step 3. Optimize Wi-Fi setting. If you must use Wi-Fi, make sure your router is set to the optimal frequency. Use the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz if your router supports it, as it typically offers faster speeds and less interference. Step 4. Close background applications. Ensure that no other applications or devices are using bandwidth while you're gaming. Close any unnecessary applications on your Steam Deck and disconnect other devices from your network to free up bandwidth. Step 5. Change server region. In Steam, you can change your download region to one that is geographically closer to you. Go to Steam Settings, find the Download section, and select a different server region to see if it improves your ping. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping on your Steam Deck and enhance your gaming experience. If issues persist, consider reaching out to your internet service provider for further assistance.